Hey, this is Bill for Sparky Channel, and today I'm going to show you how to fix a Bosch dishwasher. If you come in a little closer, you can see there's water in the bottom of the dishwasher. It's a Silence Plus 44 A-rated decibel model, and this is the model number. And so what I've done so far is I have turned off the water to the dishwasher underneath the sink, and I have unplugged the unit. Unscrew the two screws that attach your dishwasher to your countertop. There's one right there and there's one right there. Okay, so first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to vacuum up the water. Okay, I've pulled out the dishwasher. Okay, so the first thing to do is lift up this insulation right here. This is looking in the side of the dishwasher on the bottom, and this is a piece of styrofoam. And make sure this is moving and able to go up and down. And this one is. That's actually quite important to be able to shut off and turn on the water. I'm going to remove this right here so that these pipes will give me a little more room so I can work a little better. And it comes off. And now you've got a little more room. Because I haven't seen any other obvious problems, I'm going to replace the water inlet valve. Now, the water inlet valve in a dishwasher has a lot to do with the water coming into the dishwasher, and maybe there's too much water coming into the dishwasher, maybe there's water coming into the dishwasher after it's shut off. Perhaps there's not enough water coming into the dishwasher, and perhaps no water comes into the dishwasher. So there's a whole lot of problems having to do with water that the water inlet valve controls. On this dishwasher, it's located very low on the back of the dishwasher. You can always tell where the water inlet valve is because the water hose attaches to it. This gray plastic item is the holder for the water inlet valve, and there's a little flap on the bottom and the middle that you have to push up. And if you push it up, then that releases it from the frame of the dishwasher. I put my other arm through the hole on the side, and I'm giving a little push outwards at the same time as I pulled it with my left hand. And there it is. There's a little holder. You can now reach in through the side hole and grab the water inlet valve. And there she is right there. There's an electrical connection and there's a water supply connection. All right, here's the electrical connection right here. This white part is your connector, and it goes into the green part. And you have to move this part out like that, and that comes right out. So that's your electrical connection. You have to move this part up, and it comes right out. So the water is connected on with a clamp, and there it goes. Here is the old water inlet valve. Here's the new water inlet valve. So to put it on, we're going to reverse the order. We're going to put the water, getting this water line on here. Okay, and then the clamp. Okay, clamps on, and now we're going to put the electrical on. Okay. So here's the electrical connection. Put that right in there like that. Here's our part right here that we took out, remember? Okay, there we go. Okay, put the insulation back down. Tuck it in. We're going to hook this back up around the water pipes. Push the dishwasher back in. Turn on the water and plug it in. And now it's time to test it out. I ran an entire load cycle and opened the dishwasher door, and everything was just dry as a bone. It's excellent. I got my new water inlet valve from Appliance Parts Pro, and it got to us in 24 hours. So that was really good. Also, I'll put links for 3 items that really made the job a lot easier for me. One is the Milwaukee stick light. The other is the Knipex 7-inch adjustable pliers. And the third item would be the Klein kneeling pad. Those 3 items really helped to make this job a lot easier. Okay, thanks a lot. I hope this video was helpful.